Hi, one another beautiful day in Montevideo. Today I'm gonna show you my house. My house, which is one of the best ones in all North Carolina, here in Uruguay. This is one of the best ones, the best one please. And now, a special method, a bonus, a recommendation for how to blow your nose. For the Odis Tapad, the best method to untap it. With your two fingers. With these ones, with these ones, with these ones, or you can alternate with this one, 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 or with the pulgars. Another. And for it was more, another. Thank you. With the puñet. Oh. All this to untap your ears. Now my ears are clear.